Hi everyone, I'm here with a layout that I worked on this past week. So, I started this, and I guess my camera must not have recorded or something, I don't know, because I've already got this one started. So, of course, my background, I'm using Basil cardstock. That pink watercolor pattern is Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet, and that blue watercolor pattern is Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet as well. So let's just say that pretty much this whole entire kit is pretty sweet. Even that acetate tag there is also pretty sweet. And then these are just some branding strips or scraps. But I know 2 of those are branding strips that I cut off of the bottom of the paper. And I'm just going to purposely not put these straight. I don't want them straight. I believe, yeah. I'm trying to just get it laid down there, right? And these are pictures of my great nephews in coloring eggs. These, of course, are a few years old. And I'm going to title it Dying for Color. I never usually do my title before I embellish, but I'm going to go ahead, and I already knew what I was going to put, and that way then I can embellish around the title. So, Dying is Hip Kit Club's Dream Big from the February kit. And then for color is the Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet kit, which is March. I apologize. And so, now for the fun parts. So this kit and April kit is all about flower themed. So I had a hard time using the March kit, which I finished. I brought over, I think I had one or 2 full sheets left for March, and then whatever was left of the embellishments, and I just added the April kit to that. So yeah. So the chipboard stickers are pretty sweet. The die cuts are pretty sweet. There's going to be a Love You sticker, and that is a chipboard sticker from Dream Big. Sorry, I just realized my cup's in the way. That's the Love You, and I'm getting that from the Dream Big. I'm going to put that bow there. I'm going to go through the embellishments and try to figure out what I can do. I feel like there needs to be something more in those. The one by the picture, and they're in the corner. I feel like there's too little, I guess. I don't know. Just feels like there needs to be some more layers. Excuse me, sorry. Trying to see what that movement, the light over there is. It's kind of like really weird. Is that maybe my fan? My ceiling fan? I don't know. But I do know that I need to do something with my scrapbook room because it gets so hot. You can feel the sun. It gets the morning sun. And I can feel the sun coming, the heat through the one into the scrapbook. I mean, I have my blinds shut, but still. So I need to, I need to clean windows. I have not done that. I don't think I've cleaned all the windows since I moved in here. And that was a year ago. I mean, I clean my door windows, but not my window windows. House windows. I need to do that. Anyway, so that is my layout. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching.